This video will show you how to replace the front directional bulb on a Cadillac CTS. You will need a 3157 bulb for this application. This will be accessed from behind your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the front of the vehicle. Now as we make our way under the front corner of the bumper cover, this is where we can see where our bulb is located. Now as far as removing the directional bulb, we do not need to disconnect our electrical connector, but we are going to take hold of this area. Let's twist it counterclockwise and we'll pull it out of place. Now once you have that out of place, we can start removing our bulb from the area. As far as that's concerned, we'll just hold on to the unit, take hold of the bulb, and carefully give it a wiggle and pull it out of place. There it is, friend. Now prior to installing any part, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. As far as this is concerned, just make sure that there's no corrosion in there. As you can tell, this looks good, so I'm going to install my 3157 bulb. We'll just make sure we line it up, we'll press it in as far as possible, listen for a click, and give it a wiggle. It should not move around. Now let's get this in place. When I bring this into position, I'm attempting to press it towards the assembly. Once it feels like it wants to rest in properly, I'm turning it clockwise until it's fully locked. As you can tell, my red locking tab is still facing outward towards the outboard side of the vehicle. This is the way that it needs to be. One last quick inspection while we're under the vehicle and we can make our way out. Okay friend, we finished our installation. Now the next thing you want to do is make your way inside the passenger compartment and test the functionality of your directional bulb. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.